Hello everyone, and welcome back to Legal Lens Pack. I'm delighted you've joined me today. We've got a great session lined up where we dissecting to very distinct legal provisions. The 27th Amendment from the U.S. Constitution, which has a wild history in Article 243 of the Constitution of Pakistan. Yes, we're bridging continents today to understand key constitutional principles. Let's start with the amendment that took the longest to pass. The 27th Amendment, a 200-year wait. First up, the 27th Amendment to the United States Constitution. Don't let the number fool you. This one predates most of the others. Proposed by James Madison in 1789, alongside the Bill of Rights, it addresses congressional compensation. Essentially, it prevents Congress from giving itself a pay raise that takes effect immediately if they vote for higher salaries. That raise can only be implemented after the next election for the House of Representatives. This was designed to stop incumbents from voting themselves wealthy right before they leave office. Think of it as a mandatory cooling-off period for legislative greed. The fascinating part, it failed to get ratification in 1791 and lay dormant until student activism in the 1980s spurred renewed interest. It was finally ratified in 1992, over 2 centuries later. A brilliant lesson in constitutional longevity. Article 243 of Pakistan. Command of the Armed Forces now. Let's turn our focus right here to the Constitution of Pakistan in Article 243. This article deals with a very serious and fundamental aspect of the state, the command structure of the military. Article 243 explicitly vests the command of the armed forces, the Army, Navy, and Air Force in the federal government. Furthermore, Clause 2 clarifies that the President shall appoint the Chiefs of Staff of the Army, Navy, and Air Force. But crucially, the President acts on the advice of the Prime Minister. Why is this crucial for our students? Because Article 243 legally establishes the principle of civilian supremacy over the military apparatus. It ensures that the ultimate authority and command structure remain firmly under the purview of the democratically elected federal government, subject to constitutional procedure. It is the bedrock defining the relationship between the political executive and the military establishment in Pakistan. So, we've explored the quirky, delayed justice of the U.S. 27th Amendment and the foundational governance structure laid out in Pakistan's Article 243. Both articles showcase how constitutions build checks and balances into governance. If you found this dual explanation insightful, please smash that like button. And to ensure you don't miss our next constitutional breakdown or legal analysis, please subscribe to Legal Lens Pack. We love having you in our virtual classroom. Thanks for tuning in, and keep studying those laws.